3, 2, 1, yeah, we started. Text engine thing, right? And I am about to hit the green flag, but before we do, someone would like to say hello to us. Too late, too late. Rick Astley likes to say hello. Rick Astley says hello. It's right here. Anyways, we have this text engine thing. Oh, you can't delete. Hello. This is a cool text engine that can't use. Oh no, it's crashing. Moments later. Okay. Oh, I see. You can reposition. Okay, let's do something for real. This is a very important. I don't know how to type. That's not how you type. This is Seriously, did I even go to school? This is a very important message. Rick Astley wants to never give up. Okay, but seriously. Wait. Wow, we can it's really cool, to be honest. It's like a typewriter. It's like a typewriter that you can't use backspace. Yeah, that's really cool. That's actually really nice. How is it made? Oh wow. This sounds like. I don't think that sound is used. Okay. On to the next thing. We have this, but we have to go back to our we have to go back to me Jobo 12, I think. Yeah. But we have to go back to slot machine, pizza splatter. Okay, so what's the first project? Ooh, banana. About me and the mushrooms. Oh wow, this is how it started. No way. But it looks like our first one we're going to do is well, these are made such a long time ago. I mean, obviously, but I don't know. Where is it? I never seen this part of the page. Wow, there's just so much to see. 435 projects, obviously. But where is it? It's I don't know where. Where is it? I think it's this one. Probably that one. Player versus enemy battle. I think it's this. I think it's this. Let's see. Player versus enemy battle. Boss host. I guess we play. Oh wow, this is so cool. That is cool. Okay. No, get away from me. It follows your. Well, obviously, but I know where your spawn point is. I know where your spawn point is. Now let's do the boss. Oh god, what is this? Stop. No, help me. Help me. Stop. What am I... Where am I going? Okay, there we go. Does he do, like, no damage or something? What is that? This looks like a... Okay, there we go. No, I won't stop. Where even am I going? So apparently the player has, like, no health? Stop! Stop! Oh my god. I'm not very good at this, by what you can see. No! What is this? Well, I have to go. See you guys later.